every year we celebrate 5th June as the World Environment Day. Environment is very important for the survival of human being, and protection and conservation of environment is the duty of every citizen of India. But today we will see a massive destruction of forest is taking place. Ecosystems are degraded, and all these are resulting in intensifying human wildlife conflict. And that is why it is high time for all of us to take necessary steps for protection of the environment. Restoration of ecosystem is pivotal, and this is the theme of this year World Environment Day. Pakistan, that is the host country for this year World Environment Day, has long cherished history of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They have the best example how the scant regard for environment was responsible for destruction of finest civilization of the world. So that is why each one of us have to contribute for protection of environment, and restoration of the ecosystem is very important. I am living in the Western Ghat part of India, and my state shares the border with the west coast part of India. There are two important ecosystems. Both these important ecosystems are providing us food and fishes, and that is why restoration of this ecosystem is very important. My Sattari is blessed by Myristica swamp vegetation. The forest which is existing on this planet when no human beings were there. And that is why if we fail to understand the ecological importance of such unique ecosystem, we will going to face lot of problems. And that is why when we are celebrating the Environment Day this year, restoring ecosystem mean what? How each one of us can contribute in restoration of ecosystem. Undertake the plantation of indigenous tree. Greening of your village is very important. Wherever sacred groves are there, we have to protect this sacred groves, because our forefather gave this tradition to us with the hope that in the name of the God, in the name of the folk deities, we will going to protect the biological wealth. The floral and faunal wealth which we are inheriting, it is very important. Take the case of the tiger, for example. The tiger is the big cat, and tiger is the beauty of this forest. If there is no tiger in this land, then the destruction of forests will be continued. Today the monoculture is increasing, and all these problems are very serious, and that is why we have to plan the strategy for protection of environment, restoration of the ecosystem. Ecosystem is very important for human being, because ecosystem provide food, fodder, water, and so many things. For example, today under the pandemic COVID, we are struggling for oxygen, and nature is providing oxygen free of cost to us. If we fail to protect the forest, from where we will going to get the oxygen? From where we will going to get the thirst quenching water? So that is why restoration of the ecosystem is very important, and our Indian culture has emphasized the environmental values which we have to carry forward, and protection and conservation of environment, restoration of ecosystem will going to help us in present and future. So that is what we all want to do this year, and let us celebrate the Environment Day with the happiness, though we are under the lot of pressure of pandemic COVID. Plantation of the trees will going to help us, and we have the tradition of planting basil plant or the neem plant. We have to revive such unique tradition and protect our ecological wealth.